Hey everyone, welcome to our channel All Tech Queries, a YouTube channel where you'll find solutions for all your technical queries. So today's our topic is how to make one-page landscape in MS Word and Google Docs. So several of my users are students and professionals, and they keep asking me, can we have both portrait and landscape pages in a single document, in the same document? So the answer is yes, but you won't find a direct option for that in Google Docs or MS Word. So we are going to use a trick here. So let me show you what the trick is. So stay tuned, and before we start, please like our video and subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries to keep supporting us. So let's begin. So this is our MS Word, and as you can see it is in the portrait mode right now. So if you click on this page layout and click on this orientation, you can either change the document in portrait or landscape. But when you click on the landscape, all the pages in the documents are changed into the landscape. So we want a single page. So what happens is sometimes while making a project or a presentation, you have graphs, tables and diagrams which look nicer in landscape mode, but the text looks better in portrait mode. So we need to have both portrait and landscape in the same document. So let me show you the trick here. So let us change back to portrait. So suppose this is our document and we want the first page in portrait and we want second page as landscape. So what you need to do is click on this end line, the end of the page here, or you can place your cursor here as well. So you can either place the cursor at the end of one page or the start of the next page. Okay, so let me place my cursor here. Now go to this page layout menu and click on this breaks option, and here you will find the option next page. So what this option will do, it will insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So this is what we want. Now click on it. So after clicking on it, what this has done is this has separated this first page from the rest of the document. So here is they added a break here. Okay, so they break this document into two parts. Now we don't want this to be separated from the document, we want this page. So however, we have added a separation here, so you need to add one more separation here to separate this second page, because we want this page to be landscape. Okay, so let me separate this page as well. So click on here, the starting of the next page, go to breaks and click on next page. So now what happened is this second page is separated from the document. So now let me show you how to make this landscape. Now let your cursor be anywhere on the second page. Now go to this orientation option and click on landscape. So see, as you can see, the first page is in portrait mode, the second page is in landscape, and the third page is again in portrait mode. So here you need to make some changes here. As you have changed this, so some settings have been changed, that is why this has moved down. Okay, now perfect. So some settings and format are going to change whenever you change from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait. So you need to make editing, whatever necessary editing is there. So as you can see, the first page is portrait, second page is landscape. Now let me show you one more time how it is done. So I want this page to be landscape once again. So here I am going to click here on the first of this page, go to this page layout, breaks, next page. So here they have applied a break. Now I am going to click on the same page, the ending of the same page, and I am going to click on break and next page. So even this one is separated from the whole document. Now if I want to change this into landscape, now click on this page, go to this orientation and click landscape. See, as I have said, some settings you need to make some changes here. So I have shown how to adjust the header and footer, how to adjust the borders of a document. I will also leave the link in the description. Please check that video as well. So as you can see, we have easily separated this page from the whole document and made this landscape. Now let me zoom out and show you how it looks. So here it is. So these two pages are in landscape. So while printing the document, you don't have to bother because it will automatically detect the landscape and print the document as landscape. So now let me show you how it is done in Google Docs as well. So this is our Google Docs document. Now we are going to apply the same method here. You need to, if you want to separate this second page, then click on this, the starting of the second page, go to this insert menu, go to break and choose this option. Okay, section break. We don't want page break, we want a section break. We want to make different sections of the document, so click on section break. Okay, so we have applied a break here. Now click on this end line of the end line of this page and go to the same option, insert section break. So now we have successfully separated this second page from the rest of the document. Now let your cursor be on the second page and go to this format menu, find this page orientation option. So here as you can see, the section 2 has been selected. If you choose the whole document, then the entire document orientation will be changed, and this is the rest of the document. Whatever after this page, whatever pages, how many pages are there, their orientation will change, but we don't want that. We want to change orientation of this section only, or this page to be particular. Now select the landscape option, click on OK. So as you can see, the first page is still in portrait mode and the second page has turned into landscape. Now we are facing the same issue here as we were facing in the Word. So you can grab this and increase the borders, and you can make certain changes like reducing the text size to adjust the page properly. Okay, so whenever you are changing from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait, you will face some issues. So you need to make specific changes and we are good to go. So similarly you can do this for any page. So let me zoom out and show you. See, so this is the first page in portrait and second page is in landscape. So you can do this for all other pages as well, whichever is necessary. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and if you think this video helped you in any case, then click on the like button, and you can also comment below how this was helpful for you, and please subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries and keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.